you're gonna get this case, totally recommend getting a modular power supply, because this is kind of what happens if you don't really pay attention to it if you don't have a modular power supply.
See, I wouldn't have known to say that.
Keep that in mind, otherwise you're gonna be kicking yourself in the ass.
Bacon strips.
Bacon strips. Here is the best I can do in the next half hour or so of trying to make it look pretty.
Cool. Thumbs up? Close up. Go for it.
Go ahead.
And we have the finished product.
That's probably the best I could do in this case. I mean, it's got nice little rubber grommets for your wires, and Corsair really actually did a pretty good job of putting these in. There's plenty of little mounting zip tie things, whatever. And there's nice little channel for your wires. But yeah.
And it looks much cleaner.
100 times better. And then of course, a big side panel on to make sure it actually goes on. That is the true test. Boom. There you go.